Today we're gonna go on a mission about 2.5, 3 hours away to go pick up some outboards. Right now we're gonna be hooking up this trailer and getting everything set up to go. And I noticed this tire was flat when we were hooking up the trailer. So right here we're gonna start hooking it up, putting in the harness and hooking up the safety chains to get this puppy back on the road. Or should I say on the road. And these jacks be so annoying, but it's just part of the process. You can get out. Are you guys ready? Let's go see what type of motors he have at this boatyard. And we're about 40 psi. So we're ready to go pick this thing up. Let's go. Which watch? No, leave it. Let's see what deals we could catch in Englewood. So we're on the way to go pick up some outboard motors in Englewood, Florida. Sorry for that sun. Ooh. And I don't like it because it's some saltwater motors, guys. But this guy supposedly maintained his motors. So we'll see when we get there. Are you ready for it, girl? Are you? Yeah. What you mean, yes? Are you ready to go pick up some motors?
Yes.
Yes.
Babies.
Your babies?
Yeah.
You think you can take these things apart?
If it ain't too much sucker on it.
Ooh, you scared of that salt. All right, I'll see you guys shortly. 2.5 hours later, we made it to Englewood, Florida. You see what I'm saying? So do you know what's wrong with this one?
Yes, it's got water in the oil.
So blown head gasket?
Something like that.
Most likely. This one, do you have the power head for it?
No, I don't, but the lower unit's still good.
Tilt and trim. And then we got 200.
I believe they're both 150s. I think that one's newer than this one. That's got a lot of hours on it, but it runs and everything. The one on the other side.
So this
and
one runs?
It's got water in the oil.
Blown head, why you keep blowing head gasket? You not changing impellers? What happened? The impellers can't come off?
I sell a guy a motor, and then I give him a credit for his old motor.
So you sell motors and give warranties?
No.
Oh, so
I don't
this
give warranties. I sell motors when I'm done with them or whatever, or I've got a boat that is so messed up.
Okay. Yeah, I see it. Girl, these are parts motors, and what's... Ooh, am I going to get these trims off? And is this going...
I have that one.
Why? Why? You sunk it?
No. It's just... It's been here a while, and parts have been robbed off of it, so...
Okay. And what's...
I mean, it's still got a VSD and lower unit.
And what are these? These are just junkers?
Yeah, you can have those too. This two-stroke that's in there. It's been sitting there for a while.
Okay.
The blue cylinder. And these are the covers for the other ones. And that's an old Volvo or something.
A Volvo Penta?
That goes in a brave man. Stick your hand in there.
Well, you scared of
Somebody picked it up and said...
Are you scared of a moccasin?
Oh, no. More like a...
Black Widow?
Wasps.
Oh, wasps. Okay. Now let's start loading these motors. So I started with this a 150 Honda because it was the easiest one to get to real quick, and we started trying with the cherry picker, had too much work, so I just went next door and we rented this forklift real quick. make our life easier. Oh. So this wasn't too bad. I had one more screw on this motor, and the first motor was down, and here's a hint, we only have 2 more left. All the rest of the motors we just left because they were pretty, I wouldn't say rusted, but they've been sitting out there in the weather, counting off parts already taken off of them, so we just got the ones that were complete and undercover. So the second motor we got right here was a Yamaha 115 outboard, and that came out pretty easily. So we got 2 down, and we have 1 more to go. And while we was over here grabbing this Yamaha outboard, the boss lady was over here strapping up all the motors and getting them ready for me, so I wouldn't have to do it once we were done loading all the motors. I actually like this forklift, this extend reach forklift. It's better than my little Bobcat over here, but the reason I don't get one is they're too big to go inside my shop. But for out here in the open, this was pretty nice. I might get one in the future. Now let's load up this last motor. He didn't want to tear up his sunshade above us, so this one was a little tricky. He had to extend the forks out, and we had to go around these 2x6s, but it actually worked out pretty good. This other outboard motor you see to the left with no power head, he said the lower unit was good, but we actually tried to turn the lower and it was actually locked. So we left that and we left the other outboards. All right, let's go. This is the last one. I'm ready to go home. Right now we're just getting this one down. We're gonna finish strapping it up. And these are the outboards we end up with. 2 Hondas, 1 Yamaha outboard motor, and we're on the way back. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Please like and subscribe.